Most people these days think that black cats are all bad luck. However, it wasn't always this way. It wasn't until the 12th century that I was perceived badly. The church thought black cats were incarnations of the devil. They got scared. Before that, in ancient Egypt, I was worshipped as a god. I protected their grain from vermin, and their industry prospered because of it. No 18th century ship was complete without me, and none would make its voyage safely without my guidance. Not to mention, I had all the fish I could eat. In Japan, they say my owners will attract many suitors with me around. I am adorable, so who could resist? I have been many things throughout the years, but at the end of the day, I make a great best friend.